The Audi A3 8Y Sportback, launched in 2020 and continuing to the present, predominantly features the 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission. This video will guide you on effectively using this gearbox, covering gear changes and driving modes for optimal driving experience. The S-tronic transmission pre-selects gears for rapid shifts, combining the feel of a manual gearbox with the convenience of an automatic. In automatic mode, the car autonomously shifts gears based on your throttle input, speed, and driving conditions. For manual control, use the steering wheel paddles. Pull the right paddle for upshifts and the left for downshifts. This allows for sporty driving with precise gear selection when desired. Remember, the system defaults to automatic if you don't use it for a certain period of time. The individual mode allows you to customize settings for suspension, steering, and transmission. Tailor these settings to your personal preferences for a unique and optimized driving experience. Adjust suspension for your preferred ride comfort or handling. Fine-tune steering response to match your driving style. Customize transmission behavior for shift timing and responsiveness. Experiment with different combinations to find what suits you best.